To remove your alternative appearance data of Face Unlock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics. Tap face recognition. Next, enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using button, then draw the button. Now, tap remove alternative appearance. A pop-up appears to inform you that doing this will just remove the alternative appearance that you have registered before, and you will still be able to use face recognition based on your first face registration. Tap remove to continue removing your alternative appearance data. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.